Morning light, market opening, fresh breeze, fresh day, one love. Morning market, come alive. Sunshine make the color shine. People moving side by side. Good vibes flowing with the tide. Morning market, hear the sound. Laughter echo all around. Fresh fruit, fresh bread, fresh start. Everybody bringing heart. Before the sun reach high above the town, vendors setting up their tables all around. Baskets full of mango, banana and lime. Fresh vegetables arranged in a perfect line. One woman brings bread still warm from the oven. Another sells flowers she picked early morning. A fisherman arrives with his catch from the sea, and people gather round to see what he brings. Children walk beside their mothers through the crowd. Old friends meet and conversation gets loud. Someone plays music from a little radio, and the whole market starts moving with the flow. Open the stars, open the heart. Another morning, another start. Sunshine coming, breeze blowing. Market waking, life keep flowing. Morning market, come alive. Sunshine make the color shine. People moving side by side. Good vibes flowing with the tide. Hey. Morning market, hear the sound. Laughter echo all around. Fresh fruit, fresh bread, fresh start. Everybody bringing heart. Woo, woo. A young farmer stands beside his basket, proud of everything he grew himself. He talks about the rain that helped the crops, and the long days he spent working the soil. An older customer tastes one mango, then smiles and says, "That reminds me of hope." The farmer laughs and gives him another piece, because sometimes kindness is worth more than money. Nearby, two musicians begin playing, a small drum and a wooden guitar. The melody travels between these styles, and people start gathering from near and far. Bassline rolling, market calling, guitars scamp, morning falling. Drum beat, hands clap, fresh day, don't stop. Hey. One little boy walks through the market, looking at all the colors with wide eyes. He sees basket filled with tropical fruit, then watches birds flying across the skies. His grandmother holds his hand and tells him, every market has a story of its own. Every person here worked before coming, so respect the hands that bring food home. The boy nods and looks around differently, seeing more than just the things for sale. He sees farmers, bakers, fishermen and artists, all connected by one busy trail. Morning market, keep the rhythm flowing. Morning market, everybody showing. Morning market, colors everywhere. Good people, good food, fresh morning air. Around midday the market gets louder, voices rising above the music and drums. People bargain, laugh and exchange stories, while children run carefully through the crowd. A sudden breeze moves through the open stars, sending little leaves dancing down the road. Everybody laughs and holds their things together. Then the market returns to its normal flow. A vendor starts singing while arranging fruit, and another joins from across the way. Soon their voices become part of the market, adding music to another ordinary day. Fresh morning, fresh faces, fresh stories, different places. One market, one sound, one community gathered around. By afternoon, some stores begin closing, empty baskets replacing full ones from before. The fisherman packs his equipment carefully, while the baker carries leftover bread home. The farmer counts what he earned that morning, then smiles at the work still waiting ahead. Tomorrow, before the sunrise comes again, he'll return with another soft and gold. People live with bags in their hands and stories they will probably retell. Morning market, come alive. Sunshine make the color shine. People moving side by side. Good vibes flowing with the tide. Morning market, hear the sound. Laughter echo all around. Fresh fruit, fresh bread, fresh start. Everybody bringing on. Morning market, keep the good vibes flowing. Morning market, keep the people growing. Morning market. Tomorrow morning, the stars will open, the stars will open. The baskets will fill, the baskets will fill. The music will play, and the market will live again. Fresh day, fresh start, one love. Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Coconut breeze, oceanside, sunshine bright. Let the good vibes ride. One love. Oh, one love. Coconut breeze blowing through the palm tree. Ocean shining like a mirror in front of me. Coconut breeze carry the sound along. Warm island evening turning into song. Coconut breeze moving soft and free, bringing little memories from the seaside to me. Coconut breeze let the whole world know when the island rhythm starts, everybody flow. Morning comes with sunlight on the water. Fishing boats moving slowly from the bay. Palm leaves dancing in the gentle wind, while the shoreline wakes another day. A little wooden stall opens near the beach. Fresh fruit waiting underneath the shade. Someone brings a guitar and starts playing, and the morning feels like music has been made. Children walk along the sandy shoreline, collecting little shells beside the sea. A fisherman repairs his net nearby, while seabirds fly above the coconut tree. Feel the breeze, feel the sun, new day just begun. Hear the ocean, hear the sound. Island rhythm all around, all around. Coconut breeze blowing through the palm tree. Ocean shining like a mirror in front of me. Coconut breeze carry the sound along. Warm island evening turning into song. Coconut breeze moving soft and free, bringing little memories from the seaside to me. Coconut breeze let the whole world know when the island rhythm starts, everybody flow. By midday the beach gets full of laughter. Families gather underneath the shade. Someone brings a drum and starts a rhythm, and the whole shoreline begins to sway. A group of friends sits beside the water, talking about dreams for another year. One wants to travel across the ocean, another wants to build a home right here. The breeze keeps moving through the palm trees, making shadows dance across the sand. Everything feels simple in the moment, like time has slowed across the land. Bassline rolling, coconut swaying, guitars can, ocean playing, drums one drop, breeze blow. Island rhythm, let it flow, yeah. Island rhythm, let it flow. Sunlight starts turning soft, golden reflections dancing on the sea. The fisherman returns from his journey and waves to everyone along the beach. Children gather around the little boat, curious about the day's work. The fisherman smiles and tells them stories while the evening clouds begin to form. A guitar player sits beneath the palm tree, strumming chords against the ocean sound. People slowly gather around him, and soon the whole beach becomes a musical ground. Coconut breeze everybody knows. Sunset paints the sky with orange and purple, and the water catches every shade. The palm trees become dark silhouettes while the final sunlight begins to fade. Small lanterns appear around the beach stars, giving warm light to the evening crowd. The guitar gets joined by hand percussion, and the rhythm starts getting louder now. People dance without needing a stage. Friends laugh and children play nearby. The ocean keeps moving in the background while stars begin appearing in the sky. Breeze through the leaves, wave up on the shore, music in the distance. What could we ask for more? Simple moments, simple life, leave behind the trouble. Let the good vibes rise. Hey. Later at night, the crowd begins to scatter, but some people stay beside the sea. They watch the moonlight on the water, listening to the waves move peacefully. The musician plays one final melody, soft enough to blend with the ocean sound. The palm leaves move above his head, and cool breeze circles all around. Tomorrow morning, the beach will wake again. Boats will leave and people will return. The rhythm of the island never stops, because every day has something new to learn. Coconut breeze blowing through the palm tree, ocean shining like a mirror in front of me. Coconut breeze carry the sound along, warm island evening turning into song. Coconut breeze moving soft and free, bringing little memories from the seaside to me. Coconut breeze, let the whole world know when the island rhythm starts, everybody flow. Coconut breeze, keep blowing, ocean tide, keep flowing. Sun goes down, moon comes high, island rhythm under the sky. One love, good vibes, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Out on the water, little boat drifting, sunrise coming, let the journey begin. One love, little boat, sail across the blue, take me where the morning sky is new. Little boat, carry me along with the ocean underneath and the wind inside the song. Little boat, ride the gentle tide, no need for hurry, let the current be your guide. Little boat, moving toward the sun, every wave reminds me that the journey has begun. Before the sunrise paints the ocean gold, an old wooden boat leaves the harbor slow. Rope untied and the sail pulled high, cool morning breeze moving through the sky. The harbor lights begin disappearing, while seabirds circle overhead. The water stretches wide before the boat, and the captain watches where the current flows. No big engine roaring through the silence, just wooden boats on the rhythm of the sea. Every wave gives a gentle rocking motion, like the ocean singing quietly. Sail away, let the wind blow, where the water leads, we will go. No need for rush, no need for race, let the ocean set the pace. Little boat, sail across the blue, take me where the morning sky is new. Little boat, carry me along with the ocean underneath and the wind inside the song. Little boat, ride the gentle tide, no need for hurry, let the current be your guide. Little boat, moving toward the sun, every wave reminds me that the journey has begun. By midday the sun sits high above, and the water shines like pieces of glass. Flying fish jump beside the boat, then disappear beneath the waves as they pass. The captain watches clouds on the horizon, reading every change in the weather. He knows the sea can teach patience, because nobody controls every wave. He remembers his grandfather telling him, respect the ocean and never take it lightly. Listen before you move and always know when it is time to return. Those words stay with him every time he sails. Bassline rolling, ocean flowing, waves keep calling, drums one drop, wind blow free. Little boat out at sea, yeah. Afternoon clouds begin gathering slowly, turning the bright sky a little gray. The captain lowers part of the sail and lets the boat move gently with the waves. No panic, no hurry, just attention and patience. The rain passes without staying long, and sunlight returns across the water. A rainbow appears far away, stretching above the horizon like a bridge. The captain smiles at the beautiful sight, then turns the boat toward the distant shore. Another lesson learned from the ocean: sometimes the weather changes, but the journey continues. Little boat, keep sailing on, even when the bright daylight is gone. Little boat, follow the tide, keep the steady rhythm as the waves collide. Little boat, through the wind and rain, every changing season has a lesson to explain. Little boat, moving toward the shore, every journey teaches something more. As evening comes, the sky turns orange, and the ocean reflects the fading light. The boat moves slowly toward the harbor, while seabirds disappear into the night. The captain hears music from the shore, a distant guitar drifting across the water. He knows family and friends are waiting, and the long journey is nearly over. The harbor lights grow brighter, guiding him through the final stretch. He lowers the sail and steers carefully until the boat reaches the familiar dock. Every wave has a story, every wind has a song, every journey has a lesson, every night leads to dawn. Sail steady, stay ready, keep your heart strong. The ocean keeps moving, so we move along. The rope is tight and the boat rests quietly, rocking gently beside the wooden pier. The captain steps onto solid ground, glad to feel the familiar harbor near. He looks back across the darkening ocean, thinking about everything the day had shown. The sea may be wide and unpredictable, but it always leaves something in the soul. Tomorrow another journey may begin, another sunrise may call him out again. But tonight he gives thanks for safe return and listens to the waves beneath the stars. Little boat, sail across the blue, take me where the morning sky is new. Little boat, carry me along with the ocean underneath and the wind inside the song. Little boat, ride the gentle tide, no need fear, let the current be your guide. Little boat, moving toward the sun, every wave reminds me that the journey has begun. Little boat, keep sailing, keep moving, keep dreaming. Little boat at the harbor, moon in the sky, ocean still moving. out on the water, little boat drifting, sunrise coming. Let the journey begin, one love. Little boat, sail across the blue. Take me where the morning sky is blue. Little boat, carry me along. Yeah, Before the sunrise, down by the shoreline, boat's ready, another morning. One love, before the sunrise, down by the sea, a fisherman prepare for another journey. Boat in the water, wind blowing free, morning light waiting beyond the deep blue sea. Before the sunrise, hear the harbor sound, ropes on the wooden dock, footsteps all around. One more day working underneath the sky, one more story waiting where the ocean tides lie. Long before the village starts waking from sleep, a fisherman walks where the shoreline is deep. He checks his little boat underneath the stars, make sure every rope and every net is secure. A lantern swings gently beside the old dock, while the waves keep moving against the rocks. He looks toward the horizon, waiting for the light, knowing another journey soon will begin. He doesn't hurry, he knows the sea, he respects the water, he waits patiently. Check the rope, check the sail, feel the wind, read the trail. Morning coming, sky turning gold, another story ready to unfold. Before the sunrise, down by the sea, a fisherman prepare for another journey. Boat in the water, wind blowing free, morning light waiting beyond the deep blue sea. Before the sunrise, hear the harbor sound, ropes on the wooden dock, footsteps all around. One more day working underneath the sky, one more story waiting where the ocean tides lie. The first light appears behind the distant hills, painting little colors across the water still. Seabirds circle where the waves begin to shine, and the fisherman pushes off right on time. The harbor slowly disappears behind him, while the open ocean stretches wide. The boat rises gently with every wave, and the morning wind becomes his guide. He remembers what his father taught him: never fight the sea, learn how to move with it. Those words remain with him every time he says, bass like deep like the ocean, skank in motion, drums, one drop, boot, rock, wave, roll, yeah. By mid-morning the sun is shining brightly, and the water sparkles underneath the sky. A school of fish moves beside the boat, then disappears beneath the waves. The fisherman watches carefully, reading signs most people might miss. The color of the water, the direction of the wind, the movement of the birds, everything tells a story. He works quietly through the morning, knowing patience is part of the job. Some days bring plenty, some days bring less, but he gives thanks for every safe return. Sail on, sail on, sail on, through the morning light. Work hard, stay calm, keep your vision right. Sail on, sail on, let the ocean speak. Stronger, steady hands, keep your purpose deep. Around midday, clouds gather on the horizon, and the wind begins changing direction. The fisherman notices before the rain arrives, so he adjusts the boat and waits. A few drops touch the surface of the sea, then sunlight breaks through the clouds again. The weather changes just as oceans across the waves. He smiles because the ocean has taught him that nothing stays exactly the same. Calm can become wind, wine can become rain, and rain can become sunshine again. Respect the water, respect the wind, respect the journey from beginning to end. Don't fight every wave, learn how to move. Sometimes patience is the strongest groove. Late afternoon, the fisherman turns back home with the sun beginning its slow descent. The sky becomes orange and golden, and the ocean looks almost like fire. He sees the harbor lights in the distance and hears familiar sounds from the shore. People waiting near the wooden dock, ready to help him bring the boat in. As he reaches the harbor, the village starts gathering around. Some ask about the day's journey, others simply smile at the familiar sight. He ties the boat securely, then looks across the sea. One more time, another day complete, another lesson learned, another safe return. Before the sunrise, down by the sea, a fisherman prepare for another journey. Boat in the water, wind blowing free, morning light waiting beyond the deep blue sea. Before the sunrise, hear the harbor song, ropes on the wooden dock, footsteps all around. One more day working underneath the sky, one more story waiting where the ocean tides lie. Tomorrow, before sunrise, he'll return again. Same ocean, different morning, same boat, new story. The sea keeps calling and he keeps listening. One love, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. From the mountain down to the valley, water keep moving, life keep flowing. One love. The river keep running, running through the land, carrying the stories like a message from the sun. The river keep running, never standing still, through the valley and the forest, past the village on the hill. The river keep running through the sunshine and the rain. Every bend and every stone reminds us life can change. High up in the mountains where the morning starts cold, little streams begin gathering as the story unfolds. Water slips between the rocks beneath the trees, then joins another stream carried by the breeze. Down through the forest where the green leaves shine, the river finds a path through every winding line. Birds fly above it and animals come near, while the water keeps moving without any fear. Nobody tells the river where exactly to go, it simply follows the land and continues to flow. Sometimes moving slowly, sometimes moving fast, always carrying something from the future to the past. Keep moving, don't stop, through the valley, round the rock, sunshine, rainfall, through it all, water answers when the world calls. The river keep running, running through the land, carrying the stories like a message from the sun. The river keep running, never standing still, through the valley and the forest, past the village and the hill. The river keep running through the sunshine and the rain. Every bend and every stone reminds us life can change. Our village grows beside the river bank, where people gather water and give thanks. Farmers use the river to help their gardens grow, and children play nearby when the afternoon gets slow. An old fisherman sits beneath a shady tree, watching little ripples moving toward the sea. He says he has known the river all his life, through every season, every joy and every strife. He remembers when the village was much smaller, when fewer houses stood along the hill. but the river was already there before them. And the river will be running long after. Bassline, river running, forest calling, drops, one drop water, never stop it. One evening heavy clouds gather overhead. Rain begins falling on the mountain far away. The river rises slowly through the valley, moving stronger than it did during the day. People watch from a safe distance, respecting the power of the water. They know the river can be gentle, but nature always deserves respect. By morning, the rain has moved away, and sunlight touches every wet leaf. The river slowly returns to its normal rhythm, continuing its journey toward the sea. River keep running, river keep flowing through the places where the wild wind blowing. River keep running, river keep moving, every single day another story proving. A young traveler follows the river one morning, walking along a path beside the tree. He carries a small bag over his shoulder and listens to the water beneath the breeze. He wonders where the river will take him, but he doesn't need to know just yet. He follows it through another valley, finding places he will never forget. At sunset, he reaches a wooden bridge and watches golden light across the water. He sits quietly for a little while, then continues walking before darkness comes. River never asks how far it has to go. It simply keeps moving, because movement is what it knows. When it meets a stone, it finds another way. When the rain comes down, it keeps flowing anyway. When the miles away, the river reaches the ocean, finally meeting water stretching wide. All the little streams from the mountain have traveled together on the same tide. The fisherman at the coast sees the water arriving and watches it disappear into the blue. He knows every drop has traveled a long way, carrying pieces of many places through mountain, forest, village, valley, all connected by the river's journey. The river keep running, running through the land, carrying the stories like a message from the sun. The river keep running, never standing still, through the valley and the forest, past the village on the hill. The river keep running through the sunshine and the rain. Every bend and every stone reminds us life can change. From the mountain to the sea, river keep flowing, wild and free. Life keeps moving, day by day, like the river. Find your way, one love, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Golden sky, city waking to the evening. Bassline ready, guitar ready. Let the sunset begin. One love. Sunset over Kingston, golden light across the town. Music coming from the corner as the evening settles down. Yeah. Sunset over Kingston, red and orange in the sky. Yeah. Everybody moving slowly, watching daylight passing by. Whoa, sunset over Kingston, let the rhythm fill the street. traffic. Warm evening breezes floating through the air. Shopkeepers standing by the open doorway. Friends meeting underneath the fading sun. A radio playing from a little corner. And the day's long journey almost done. Across the rooftops, golden shadows falling. Clouds turning purple over distant hills. For a little while the whole city seems quieter. Like everybody wants to watch the moment still. Sun going down, moon coming high. Music waking underneath the sky. Day is ending, night begins. Turn up the rhythm, let the good time in. No sunset over Kingston, golden light across the town. Music coming from the corner as the evening settles down. Sunset over Kingston, red and orange in the sky. Everybody moving slowly, watching daylight passing by. Sunset over Kingston, let the rhythm fill the street. When the sun goes down behind the hills, the night begins with a beat. Hey! Down by the harbor, boats are coming home. Fishermen returning as the daylight fades. The water catches every color in the sky, turning gold beneath the evening shades. A young guitarist sits beside the seawall, playing softly while the cool breeze blows. Someone starts singing from a nearby doorway, and little by little everybody knows a food stall opens underneath a bright lamp. Fresh bread and fruit are ready for the crowd. Friends gather round and start telling stories while the city becomes lively and loud. Be a slide, deep and warm, kick off, scan through the storm. One drop, sunset, never stop. Kingston, feel the sound, good vibe all around. Night arrives and the street lights start glowing. Stars appear above the rooftops one by one. The last golden light disappears behind the buildings, but the energy of the evening has begun. Music gets louder from the little sound system. People moving gently to the bass. Nobody rushing toward tomorrow. Everybody enjoying where they are today. The city has many different stories, different people, different dreams, but music can bring them together like one river joining many streams. Golden sky fade away, moonlight rise, bassline roll, let the evening begin. 1 hour, one sound, one rhythm all around. Somewhere on a balcony, somebody watches while the city lights begin to sparkle below. A family shares food around a table, and laughter rises with the evening midnight coming. Station lights glowing.
One train waiting.
Another journey begins. Midnight train, rolling through the darkness. Steel wheels singing underneath the stars. Midnight train, carrying different stories, taking every traveler wherever they are. Midnight train, rolling through the night. Window after window, shining like a light. Midnight train, moving steady on while the sleeping countryside watches it roll on. 11:45 at the old train station. Last few passengers waiting in the quiet. A tired worker carrying a little suitcase. A musician holding his guitar close beside him. A woman reads a letter underneath the station light. A young man watches clouds moving through the night. Nobody knows what tomorrow will bring, but everybody has a reason for boarding the train. The station clock keeps ticking slowly. The platform grows quieter by the minute. Then a whistle echoes from somewhere far away, and everybody knows the train is coming. Hear the whistle,
Hear the wheels,
feel the rhythm,
feel the steel.
doors open,
People climb,
midnight journey.
perfect time.
Midnight train, rolling through the darkness. Steel wheels singing underneath the stars. Midnight train, carrying different stories, taking every traveler wherever they are. Midnight train, rolling through the night. Window after window, shining like a light. Midnight train, moving steady on while the sleeping countryside watches it roll on. The musician finds a seat beside the window, places his guitar safely on the floor. Across from him sits an old traveler, looking like he's made this journey before. The worker finally closes tired eyes while the woman folds her letter carefully. Outside the station disappears behind them, and darkness stretches endlessly. The train passes houses with their windows glowing, small villages sleeping beneath the moon. A dog runs briefly beside the railway, then disappears beneath the shadows. Inside the carriage, nobody says much. The train itself seems to tell the story.
Bassline rolling,
Steel wheels turning,
guitar skanking,
midnight burning.
drums one drop,
Track keep moving,
train keep rolling.
night keep flowing. Yeah. After midnight, the musician starts humming softly, a melody he wrote many years before. The old traveler listens from across the seat, then asked him what the song is about. He says it's about leaving somewhere familiar and not knowing what you will find ahead. The old traveler smiles, and you wrote a song about life. They laugh quietly outside. The moon appears between the clouds, lighting up fields on both sides of the track. The train moves forward without hesitation, never stopping to look behind.
Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Don't let the night hold you back.
Keep moving,
Keep moving
stay steady.
on the track. Every station,
Every mile,
every face you meet becomes another chapter in the story underneath the beat. Oh, at one small station, the train stops briefly. Only 3 passengers step outside. Fresh night air enters through the open doors, and everyone looks toward the quiet countryside. The old traveler stands beside the window, watching the platform underneath the lamp. He says, I used to stop here many years ago. The musician asks, what brought you back? He answers, memory. Then the whistle sounds again, those clues. The train moves forward. Some places stay in your heart, even after you leave them behind. because the road is calling, and some simply need to keep moving, no matter the reason. The train keeps rolling. 3 in the morning and the world is sleeping, but the train keeps cutting through the darkness. Rain begins tapping against the windows, making a rhythm with the wheels beneath. The musician watches droplets race down the glass, each one disappearing into another. He thinks about all the roads he hasn't traveled, and all the songs he hasn't written. The old traveler sleeps peacefully nearby, his suitcase resting beneath his seat. The worker dreams quietly against the window, while the woman holds a letter in her hands. 4 strangers, 1 carriage, 1 midnight journey, different destinations, same road for a little while. Boom, steel wheel rhythm, boom, boom, bassline wisdom, boom, skank it, drag it, midnight train, don't hide it, bassline wisdom, midnight train, don't hide it. Just before dawn, the eastern sky changes color. Just before dawn, the eastern sky changes color. Dark blue slowly becoming shades of gold. The rain disappears and the clouds begin opening, revealing distant mountains in the morning light. The musician closes his notebook. The midnight train. Quiet road below, no hurry tonight, just rhythm, one love. Moonlight road, shining through the trees, cool night breeze moving gently with the leaves. Moonlight road, stretching far ahead, guiding every traveler where the daytime never led. Moonlight road, silver on the ground, only footsteps and the night birds making sound. Moonlight road, let the journey flow, no need to know exactly where the road will go. After the evening fades behind the hill, the country road becomes quiet and still. One traveler walks with a lantern in his hand, following the narrow path across the land. Crickets singing somewhere in the grass, little shadows moving as the traveler passes. The moon shines between the branches overhead, painting silver patterns where his footsteps tread. He knows the road from many years before, but tonight it feels different than it did before. Maybe because the world is sleeping around him, or maybe because silence gives the heart room for speak. Walk slow, breathe deep, let the night bring some peace. Moonrise, stars shine, one more step, one more mile. Whoa, moonlight road, shining through the trees, cool night breeze moving gently with the leaves. Moonlight road, stretching far ahead, guiding every traveler where the daytime never led. Moonlight road, silver on the ground, only footsteps and the night birds making sound. Moonlight road, let the journey flow, no need to know exactly where the road will go. Down beside the road an old wooden bench sits beneath a tree with branches wide and dense. The traveler stops to rest for a while, looking at the moon with a quiet smile. He thinks about the places he has visited and people who once walked beside him. Some journeys lasted only a short time, but their memories stayed longer than expected. He realizes that life is full of roads, some familiar and some unknown. You may walk with people for a little while, then continue on your own. Deep in the night, silver moonlight, drums soft and slow, footsteps, let them go, yeah. A cool breeze moves across the open field, carrying the smell of rain from far away. The traveler looks toward the distant clouds, but keeps walking beneath the moonlight. A small river appears beside the road, reflecting every star above. He follows it for a little distance, listening to the water move over stones. The river doesn't know where it will end, but it keeps flowing all the same. The traveler smiles at this simple lesson. Sometimes you don't need every answer before you take the next step. Moonlight road, keep shining bright. Moonlight road, guide me through the night. Moonlight road, let the cool breeze blow. Wherever life may take me, I'll continue as I go. Appear ahead, coming from a house beside the road. The traveler recognizes the place, a home where an old friend once lived. He stops outside and hears soft music, a guitar playing somewhere inside. Someone opens the window and calls his name, surprised to see him walking by. They talk for a little while beneath the moon, sharing stories from another time. The traveler realizes something beautiful. Sometimes the road doesn't only take you forward, sometimes it brings you back to something you forgot you missed. Every road has a story, every step leaves a trace. Every night has a morning, every journey has a place. Keep moving, keep learning, keep your heart open wide. Even when the road is dark, let hope be your guide. The traveler says goodbye and walks again. The moon still shining above the trees. His lantern becomes unnecessary now, because moonlight gives him all the light he needs. The road climbs gently toward a hilltop, and from there he sees the valley below. Tiny lights sparkle across the sleeping village, while the river continues its quiet flow. He stands there for a moment without speaking, feeling grateful for the journey tonight. Then he turns toward the road once again, walking slowly into the peaceful night. Moonlight road, shining through the trees, cool night breeze moving gently with the leaves. Moonlight road, stretching far ahead, guiding every traveler where the daytime never left. Moonlight road, silver on the ground, only footsteps and the night birds making sound. Moonlight road, let the journey flow, no need to know exactly where the road will go. Moonlight road, keep shining, keep guiding, keep flowing. Moon still high, home still light, road still long, stars still shining, night still strong. Tomorrow morning, another road will call, but tonight, yeah, down at the corner where everybody knows everybody, morning to evening, the little shops stay open. One love, oh, yeah. Down at the corner shop, everybody pass through. Some come for the bread, some come for say, oh you do. Down at the corner shop, stories never end. Stranger come fi buy something, leave us somebody's friend. Down at shopkeeper lifts the door while the birds begin to fly. Sweeps the little sidewalk, puts the bottles in a line, checks the shelves and says, alright, another day is mine. First customer arrives with a smile and a greeting, asking for some bread and something for drink. Another person stops just for have conversation, because the corner shop is more than just a station. Old bicycle leaning against the wall outside. Someone parks a little car on the other side. A radio playing softly from behind the counter while the morning breeze moves through the open doorway. Open the door, let the morning in. Another day, another chance begin. People coming, people go, but the little shop keep the rhythm slow. Down at the corner shop, everybody pass through. Some come for the bread, some come for say, oh you do. Down at the corner shop, stories never end. Stranger come fi buy something, leave us somebody's friend. Down at the corner shop, music playing low. Life may keep on changing, but the good vibes always grow. Hey, around midday the road gets busy. People coming from the market and the nearby school. Somebody buys fruit, somebody buys a snack. Another person asks about the football match. Two old friends meet beside the doorway. Haven't seen each other in a many weeks. They start remembering days from long ago, laughing till tears appear upon their cheeks. A little child counts coins carefully, trying to make sure everything is right. The shopkeeper smiles and helps with the change, then sends the child home before it gets too late. These little moments happen every day. Nobody writes them down, nobody makes a song. But years later, people remember places where they felt they truly belong. Bassline, round the corner, round the corner, round the corner. Skank the morning drums, one drop, radio, don't stop. Good vibes in the street, little shop, feel the beat. Afternoon sun begins leaning toward the west. The busiest part of the day slowly comes to rest. Shopkeeper sits outside upon a wooden chair, watching clouds move gently through the evening air. A musician passes with a guitar on his back, stops for a minute and plays a little track. People gather near the doorway just to listen, and the whole street changes when the melody begins. Nobody plan a concert, nobody sold a ticket. It is simply one of those moments that happens when people share a place. The song ends, everybody claps, the musician smiles, then walks away. Corner shop, keep the light on. Corner shop, till the evening gone. Corner shop, where the people meet. Little piece of community right beside the street. As the evening comes, the street lights turn on, and the orange sunset slowly disappears. The shopkeeper counts the day's last customers while the radio plays an old familiar tune. A farmer comes in after working all day, dust on his shoes and tiredness on his face. The shopkeeper gives him a chair outside, and they talk for a while before he heads away. A young person stops to buy something quickly, then stays because somebody starts a funny story. Laughter rises beneath the evening sky, and nobody seems in a hurry to leave. Not every place needs bright lights, not every story needs a stage. Sometimes a little corner can become a memory for an entire age. People come, people go, seasons change, but the places where we gather can remain inside our hearts. Near closing time, the road becomes quiet. The last customer waves before walking home. The shopkeeper turns down the radio, looks around the little room alone. The shelves almost empty, counter wipe clean. Another ordinary day complete. He remembers all the faces that passed through, all the conversations and the laughter he heard. Tomorrow morning he will open once again, because community is built one day at a time. He locks the door and walks down the street, underneath the stars appearing overhead. The corner shop goes dark for the night, but tomorrow it will shine again. Down at the corner shop, everybody pass through. Some come for the bread, some come for say, how you do? Down at the corner shop, stories never end. Stranger come for buy something, leave us somebody's friend. Down at the corner shop, music playing low. Life may keep on changing, but the good vibes always grow. Early in the morning before the sun gets high, shopkeeper lifts the door while the birds begin to fly. Sweeps the little sidewalk, puts the bottles in a line, checks the shelves and says, alright, another day is mine. First customer arrives with a smile and a greeting, asking for some bread and something to drink. Another person stops just for have conversation, because the corner shop is more than just a station. Old bicycle leaning against the wall outside, someone parks a little car on the other side. A radio playing softly from behind the counter, while the morning breeze moves through the open door.